Hi, this is Megan from echo3D, and today I will be showing you how simple it is to use our Unity SDK and add metadata. Just a quick overview before I start. Echo3D is a 3D asset management platform for developers that provides tools and cloud infrastructure to manage and stream 3D content in real time to 3D, AR, VR, and metaverse apps, games, and experiences. So as you can see, I already uploaded my ferret model and I have the Unity SDK installed and an empty scene populated. All I have to do now is copy and paste my API key into Unity like I did and press play. And there's my ferret. So now if I wanted to add metadata, I could just come back into our console, press this down arrow, hit add data, and we have a number of metadata classes out of the box that you can choose from, or you can create your own custom metadata to tag models, create custom behaviors, or have them interact with scripts. I want my model to spin, so I'm gonna do direction equals right and click enter. And my model starts spinning. And the super cool thing about this SDK is that if I stop the scene, everything disappears because nothing persists on the memory, so the app itself will be super small.